Hello guys, how you doing? I'm here again with
Little gamer.
the Little Gamer. We're still in San Antonio because we just did a little video on unboxing two little candy thingies. Now we're gonna do which one?
This.
Okay, we got the Game Boy candy for $3.99.
And pack.
Go one at a time.
Okay.
It's the Game Boy. You ready? Open it.
Open it.
What in the world is this?
Oh wait, hold up. It's this.
Oh, it's the little button.
Yeah.
The up, down, left, right button. Okay, don't be careful.
Be careful of.
Okay. So this is what we got, guys. A whole bunch of little cross buttons.
Oh my god.
There's more?
Oh my god.
I get it. You got?
I'm gonna need to eat that one.
Oh, okay. What? You like this one, right? Okay, we're gonna put them all back in the Game Boy.
It had no flavor.
Oh, excuse me.
It had no flavor.
The next one is gonna be. Show them which one it is.
This.
What is it? A Pac-Man Ghost.
Yeah.
Oh, what's the name of this one?
It's red.
It's not red. It's blue.
No, it's not.
It's Blinky. I don't know the name of the code. And what do you have now?
More.
Blue Ghost.
That one had no flavor.
That one had no flavor? Okay, we'll try this one, see what kind of flavor this one has. Okay, try it.
Yep.
Better flavor
Yeah.
or no flavor?
Better flavor.
Okay.
What happens to order on plain?
Okay, so the ghost, what do you give it? What score do you give the ghost?
10.
Everything's a 10 out of 10 for you.
Yeah.
And the Game Boy?
I definitely have a 10.
No.
Another 10.
A 9 out of 10. Oh boy. You ready?
Yeah.
Say goodbye to everybody. Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.